Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Wheaton Honda.
You won't be short on space when you're driving this thing. A 2017 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. It has leather seating for 7, which includes heated second row bucket seats. There's a ton of room for cargo, and you can drop the power folding third row for even more. It's big and has plenty of muscle to match, with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, creating 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. It can tow a little over 9,000 pounds. It also has a smooth ride thanks to continuously controlled damping with 3 different modes. This is the top-of-the-line Expedition, so it's going to have things like heated and cooled front seats, a large moonroof, dual-zone climate control, a factory remote starter, backup camera, forward and reverse sensing, blind spot information system, power folding assist steps, and a power liftgate. The infotainment center has all kinds of connectivity options, as well as navigation and satellite radio. Plus, it comes with a 12-speaker Sony audio system with a subwoofer.
Now, if you have any questions, you can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also just head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a ride.